Hi guys, Eh, I'm presenting on association analysis. So, association analysis is a data mining technique that is used to discover interesting relationships or patterns or correlations among a set of items and in a large data set. So, they are often used in supermarkets. So, association analysis, it helps us to identify the customer's purchasing behavior and so association analysis helps us in understanding the customer's purchasing behavior. So to understand and know the association analysis, we need to know the key concept of association analysis, which are item sets, association rules, support, and confidence, right? So I will start by item sets. So item sets, these are items that frequently appear in the data sets. So in other words, item sets are the contents of a data set and area. So let's take for example, an item set is a trolley in a supermarket where a customer has to put his purchasing in the trolley. So things that are in the trolley are item sets and area. So let's move on to frequent patterns. So frequent patterns, these are a set of items that are repeating in the transactions and so goods or the purchases that are found in a number of trolleys in a supermarket, they end up being frequent patterns and so let's go on to association rule. So association rule is the set of frequent items and let's take an example of this table, right? This table, we've got the first transaction or maybe the first trolley, which has got the transaction ID 1, beer, nuts, diaper. Those are things in the trolley. Second transaction up to fifth transaction. So the association rule are the set of frequent items and for example, beer and diapers, beer and diapers, beer and diapers. They end up being the association rule in the sense that they are frequently appearing and in the in trolleys and in the data sets that we have. So for example, okay, I'll give you an example later. So to come up with the association rules, we need to explain two concepts and support and confidence. So these concepts, they help us come up with the association analysis. So let's take for example this table. It's the same as I had shown you before. And so if you want to calculate support, so support of x to y is given by the support of x with y over the number of transactions and so for example, let's find the support of beer to diapers and the support of beer to diapers is given by the support of beer with diapers over number of transactions. In mathematics, I know this is used as union, but here we don't call it union, we call it with support of beer is support of beer with diapers and that's how we call it here. So support of beer with diapers, so go back to our table. Support of beer with diapers, we call it 1. Support of beer with diapers here, we call it 2. Support of beer with diapers, we call it 3. Then here we have no beer and diapers. Here we've got no beer and diapers. Even if we had beer with no diapers, we're not going to count it. We only consider where there is beer and diapers in the same trolley. That's where we say there is a support and so support of beer to diapers is 3. Then number of transactions is 5, which named the transaction 1 up to 5. So the support of beer to diapers here is 3 over 5. Then let's move on to confidence. So confidence, we're talking about how frequently items in the dataset appears in the transactional dataset that contains X. And for example, the confidence of X to Y is the support of X with Y over support of X, right? So let's take an example of the support of beer to diapers. The support of beer to diapers using the same table that we have. And this is the table. So the support of beer to diapers over the support of beer, right? So we are considering where we see beer with the diapers in one trolley, in one transaction, and which is 1, 2, 3. That's where this 3 is coming from, right? Then where we how many transactions we see diapers, we see beer, sorry. So here there's beer, there's beer, there's beer, 3. No more beer anyway, so it's 3. So the confidence of beer to diapers is 3 over 3, which is 1, right? So this is how we find confidence and support when we are doing. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So let's move on to the rules. So there are a number of rules that can be generated from a given data set, and the rules that I mean the association rules, and the association rules are the important part of this association analysis. The association rules are the ones which we use to determine the behavior of our customers when they are buying our products. And so if we want to know how many rules can be generated from the number of data set, and we use the formula here, which says 3 to the power d minus 2 to the power d plus 1 plus 1. And so here we say 3. So first of all, d is the number of items that we have, and the number of items that we have in all our trolleys. And for example, here we've got beer 1, nuts 2, diaper 3, coffee 4, eggs 5, what else do we have? Milk 6. And if you see some are repeated, we don't mention the repeated ones. We just want each item, and we just want each item. So that's why we have that's why on all this table, on all the assets on this table, we've got 6 items. So that's our d is equals to 6 here and there. So 3 to the power 6 minus 2 to the power 6 plus 1, which is 2 to the power 7 plus 1, which is given here. If calculated, it gives us 602 rows that can be generated from this table. So these rules are the ones which we use to know how often our customers are buying our products, and also we can use some of them to compute the buying behavior, so that we know what to put in our stores in the next time we make an order or whatever. So this is it about association analysis. I hope you understand, guys. Thank you so much.